If you're watching this, make sure you follow my boy, share all the stuff, subscribe, share it with your people, man. He's the voice of the streets, voice of the community, voice of business, voice of black culture, man. Make sure y'all listen to your boy.
All right, Detail World. Well, that last call we didn't get to because she actually had to leave. And it was actually 4 o'clock by the time I finished that before Bronco. She had to be gone by 5. But she's scheduled for Tuesday. That's a good thing. And we sold her on the detail, so that's a good thing. But we almost home, man. Beautiful day, man. I'm just proud to be able to get this work and to be so consistent, man. Like I say, we didn't drop 280 some videos consecutively, man. It's a beautiful thing. We're gonna keep doing this, man. We're gonna try to reach for 500 videos straight, Lord willing, man. But on that note, like always, man, I appreciate y'all, man. One love, man. Love thyself, man. Because in the long run, you're gonna be able to say, I love you. And hey, I love you. I'm talking to myself, but one love and peace. Detail World, what it do? Y'all already know we out here, man. We made it to the first stop. We only got 2 stops today, but today we probably got 5 cars in this one area, so we'll be at one location for a while. But right now, we already working on this Chevy Tahoe. We already knocked out the exterior of the car, trying to take advantage of, this nice little weather right now. It's only 70 degrees, but it's supposed to crank up to the 80s, so I'm trying to take advantage of it while it's still cool. Do the exterior of the car. We got the whole exterior done. Everybody go ahead and hop in the interior of this car. Already got the everything out, so we're gonna get in here, wipe down the seats like usual, vacuum the carpet, clean the cup holders, things like that. If you look, it's pretty dirty. So we're gonna go over here and clean that. Get back here, vacuum, back in the back, wipe the seats, do the interior windows, wipe down the console, things like that. Do the doors like usual. Park and pull up the next one and keep that routine going. But this week is my son's birthday, so we're gonna be out there doing something for him. We definitely gonna keep that coming, and next week is my birthday, so we definitely gonna keep that cracking. But on that note, man, like always, man, do what you gotta do. Y'all already know I'm gonna do what I gotta do, man. So stay dedicated to the process, man. No matter what you're doing out there, man, put your all into it, because it will pay off if you believe. If you don't believe, it won't pay off. But on that note, man, I'm gonna go ahead and finish the interior of this car so I can keep it cracking, man. It's like 10:25, 10:30, something around there. So we gonna wanna hurry up and keep it on note. But on that, look, excuse me, y'all know my words be jumbled sometimes, because I be la 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 la. But on that note, I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute, man. Peace. Detail World, what it do, man. We finally got this first car done, man. It literally took us 2 hours to get it done, man. Working by myself definitely take a little bit long, because I always got to make sure I'm doing the job sufficiently. So I'm always make sure I'm getting everything done correctly. But the car's done. About to go park it in and out. We got the interior completely done, man. I didn't go in here and detail it because I'm not going to spend that much time on this car. But on that note, I'm finished and I'm about to grab the other car, and I'm going to catch y'all in a minute. Peace.
If you're watching this, make sure you follow my boy, share all the stuff, subscribe, share it with your people, man. He's the voice of the streets, voice of the community, voice of business, voice of black culture, man. Make sure y'all listen to your boy.